And the race is on. Lim Shoti fast to begin, rushing up is Love or Money. Tatara is racing in third, moving up is Don. Eduardo's Best, Deputy Stravinsky. Hoy! Tamana is running at the tail of the field. Love or Money being hounded by Lim Shoti. Don Eduardo's Best is racing in third by some 5 lengths. Alongside is Deputy Stravinsky by Daralis Hoy. Tama na, alongside is Tatara. Inside the last 600, Love or Money by some 2 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti. And racing in third by some 4 lengths, Tatara. Don Eduardo's Best racing in fourth by the Deputy Stravinsky. And Hoy! Tama na, it's now running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner. Love or Money by some 3 lengths, Lim Shoti, and moving up by the release, Tatara, and nearing the finish line, Love or Money, Tatara down on the inside, and Lim Shoti, it's now Tatara, Love or Money, Lim Shoti, and finally, Tatara, Love or Money, Lim Shoti, Don Eduardo's Best, Deputy Stravinsky, and Hoy, tama na.
Mhm.